5,000 years ago, most human settlements were small, rudimentary, and locked in a constant struggle for basic survival. But the Indus Valley produced something different, a network of highly planned urban centers. These ruins at Mohenjo-Daro reveal a metropolis built with a level of organization that wouldn't be seen again for millennia. This unicorn seal is an artifact of that success. Found far beyond the Indus, objects like this suggest a wealthy, peaceful society managed by a sophisticated administrative class. But dense urban living creates a specific biological threat. As these markets grew and population surged, the city faced a lethal problem: the rapid accumulation of human waste. In a city of this density, pathogens can contaminate water sources in days. Without a way to move filth away from the living quarters, even the wealthiest ancient city would quickly collapse into a site of mass disease. To prevent this, Harappan engineers developed a category of infrastructure that had no historical precedent. They made the management of water the central engineering priority of their urban life. They built the city on a master grid, where the drainage system actually dictated the street layout. This diagram shows the connectivity. Wastewater from individual homes fed directly into street-level arteries, ensuring no filth remained near living areas. They also built distinct channels separating clean rainwater from dirty household water, maintaining hygiene even during heavy monsoons. These primary drainage channels flanked the main roads, creating a city-wide circulatory system that moved waste constantly and predictably. The city functioned like an organism, with these drains serving as the essential veins keeping the metropolis clean. To keep the main lines from clogging, the Harappans installed filtration technology outside the homes, called soak pits. Inside these chambers, gravity did the work. Heavy, solid waste would sink to the bottom, while the lighter liquid layer rose to the top. Only this clear liquid flowed into the street drains, preventing silt from blocking the underground pipes. To keep the streets pristine, these main drains were capped with heavy slabs of stone and brick. These covers served two purposes. They trapped foul odors beneath the street and maintained the aesthetic purity of the public spaces. Scattered along these lines were removable inspection holes, placed at regular intervals to allow for active maintenance. The presence of these holes implies a dedicated sanitation workforce was employed to clear blockages and keep the grid functional year-round. This wasn't a local experiment. Archaeologists have uncovered this identical drainage system in distinct cities, separated by hundreds of miles. The standardization is absolute. The brick sizes, the materials, and the specific mathematical slope of the drains remain uniform across the entire civilization. To maintain this level of technical uniformity across so many cities suggests an exceptionally disciplined central authority, or a society with a shared, unified commitment to public works. While other ancient empires focused their labor on monumental palaces or tombs for kings, the Harappans dedicated their resources to infrastructure that served every citizen. 5,000 years ago, they proved that the strength of a civilization isn't measured by its monuments, but by the health and dignity of its streets.